For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reset Shopify store to default. To do that, go to Shopify website and log in. Next, go to your dashboard. Then on your online store, click on themes. Next, scroll down through to find the theme that you wish to reset. Then click the three dots icon and then click on edit code. This will pop on edit HTML/CSS page. The next step is to surf edit HTML/CSS page and click on the assets options. Next, click on theme.liquid. Now scroll to the end of the code editor. You will find the following code settings. Make sure to delete everything in this code, including the tags. Once done, click on save, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.